Hello my dear friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself Dattu Patel, Assistant Professor from LJIT. Earlier lecture we are already discussed about the application of multiple integral of the area, finding the area by the Cartesian coordinate system and polar coordinate system by the double integral. Today's session we are going to start with triple integral. Let's see firstly triple integral in the rectangular coordinate system. The triple integral of a continuous function f of xyz over a region capital V or a capital R can be evaluated by three successive integration. The triple integral of a function over the region is denoted by triple integral V f of xyz dv. Here dv that is indicated by the volume or dA that is indicated by the area, means whenever we use dA then we written double integral dx dy or dy dx, or whenever we use the dv that is we can written as a dy dx dz dy dx dz or a dz dy dx etc. Then whenever we use the dv then the dx dy dz. Let's see example. Triple integral 0 to 2 1 to z and 0 to yz xyz dx dy dz. Here firstly inner limit which is that is varies from 0 to yz, that is the limit of x, means x is varies from 0 to yz because inner side that is the dx means inner limit which is indicated by the limit of x. Then middle limit that is dy means that is the limit of y where y is varies from 1 to z, and outer limit that is constant that is the limit of z, means z is varies from 0 to 2. Here we already given the limits, then no need to draw the region, we have to integrate directly. Then firstly integral with respect to x, then after with respect to y, and then after with respect to z. Then integral with respect to x, then double integral 0 to 2 integral 1 to z, then integral of x that is x square by 2 and yz that is remains constant which is kept as it is. Then upper limit minus lower limit, then substituting the limits x as a yz and x as a 0, then one have constant integral 0 to 2 integral 1 to z, then y square z square into yz dy dz. Here y into z into y square z square, that will give you y cube z cube. Now with respect to dy means with respect to y integral that term, that will give you 1/2 integral 0 to 2 z cube which is constant comes out, then integral 1 to z y cube dy into dz. Now integral with respect to y that is y raised to 4 by 4, then 1/2 integral 0 to 2 z cube y raised to 4 by 4 where 1 to z dz. Then applying the upper limit minus lower limit, then 1 by 4 which is constant comes out, then 1 by 8 integral 0 to 2 z cube, then upper limit minus lower limit, then z raised to 4 minus 1 into dz. Now z cube comes inside the brackets, that will give you z raised to 7 minus z cube. Now integral that term means z raised to 7 having the integral z raised to 8 by 8 minus integral of z cube that is z raised to 4 by 4, then upper limit minus lower limit where z which is varies from 0 to 2, then 2 raised to 8 by 8 minus 2 raised to 4 by 4 minus 0, and simplified that term that will give you 1 by 8 32 minus 4, and simplified that term that will give you 7 by 2. That is the answer of the triple integral, or that is the volume of the given function. Now let's see another topic which is triple integral in the cylindrical coordinate system. Here in cylindrical coordinate systems r, theta and z that are the variables we are used to evaluate the triple integral in the particular region, which are bounded by the cylinders along the z axis and planes through the z axis or a planes perpendicular to the z axis. Now relation between the Cartesian coordinate systems or a rectangular coordinate xyz to the cylindrical coordinate systems, which is r, theta, z. Here you all are aware about the x equal to r cos theta and y equal to r sin theta and z which is kept as it is. Now here we have to finding the relation, or we have to finding the volume, that is dV. Then dV equal to mod j dz dr and d theta. Then firstly we have to finding the value of mod j. Then according to these equations, x equal to r cos theta, y equal to r sin theta and z equal to z, we have to finding the values of j, that is the Jacobian, where Jacobian equal to del of xyz upon del of r theta z. Then finding the Jacobian, for that in determinant del xy means derivative of x with respect to r, derivative of x with respect to theta, derivative of x with respect to z. In second row, derivative of y with respect to r, derivative of y with respect to theta, derivative of y with respect to z. Similarly in third row, derivative of z with respect to r, derivative of z with respect to theta and derivative of z with respect to z, and expanding this determinant, that will give you r, which is already learned in partial differentiation, application of partial differentiation. Now substituting this value in this equation, that will give you triple integral f of xyz dx dy dz equal to triple integral f of r cos theta, r sin theta, z into r dz dr d theta. Means here we have to convert Cartesian to cylinder coordinate system. At that case, replace x as a r cos theta, y as a r sin theta and z equal to z, and dv equal to mod j dz dr d theta, where values of mod z, that is r, or dv has a dx dy dz equal to mod j dz dr d theta. Now x square plus y square equal to r square. This value we replace in our Cartesian coordinate systems and converting to the polar coordinate system and solve the easily. Whenever we convert the our image or our values Cartesian to polar, then we can easily find. And graph of or region of Cartesian coordinates and polar coordinates are the same. Just limit will be changed in terms of r and theta. Let's see one example. Triple integral 0 to 1, 0 to root z, 0 to 2 pi, inside the bracket r square cos square theta plus z square into r d theta dr dz. Here inner limit which has a theta, means this one is a theta, means innermost limit, that is indicated by the theta, that is where theta which is varies from 0 to 2 pi. Middle limit, that is a dr, means r which is varies from 0 to root z, and outer limit, that is a z, where z is varies from 0 to 1. In this type of particular example, outermost limit, that is indicated by the constant limit, and variable limit which is inside the outermost limit. Now firstly we have to integral with respect to theta. For that, firstly we written in form of simple form, then integral 0 to 1, integral 0 to root z and integral 0 to 2 pi r square cos square theta plus z square into r d theta dr dz. Here we cannot go for the integral of cos square theta directly. Then with the help of trigonometric formula, we written as a cos square theta as a 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. Then integral of that particular term, that is integral 0 to 1, integral 0 to root z, this one r which is constant comes out, then r, here r square into 1/2, that is kept as it is, then 1/2 into r square, integral of 1, that is theta, integral of cos theta, that is sin 2 theta by 2 plus z square kept as it is, integral of 1, that is theta, where theta which is running from 0 to 2 pi dr dz. Now substituting this limit means upper limit minus lower limit. Here upper limit, that is r inside this, then r into r, that is r cube by 2. Here upper limit, that is 2 pi plus sine 2 to the 4, sine 4 pi. You all are aware about the values of sine 4 pi, that is 0. Then plus z square as it is into 2 pi minus 0. Then 2 pi which is common out, then 2 pi integral 0 to 1 integral 0 to root z r into r cube, that is r cube by 2 plus z square into r. Now integral this term with respect to r, then r cube having integral r raised to 4 by 4, 4 to the 8, then integral 2 pi 0 to 1 r raised to 4 by 8 plus z square, r having integral r square by 2, where r is running from 0 to root z, then upper limit minus lower limit, that will give you 2 pi integral 0 to 1 root z, then z square by 8 plus z cube by 2 into dz. Now taking the LCM and simplified this term and integral with respect to z, then 2 pi integral of z square, that is z cube by 3, then 8 3 is 24 plus z raised to 4 by 8. Now where z is running from 0 to 1, substituting the limits, that will give you 2 pi 1 by 24 plus 1 by 8, taking the LCM, that will give you 2 pi 1 plus 3 by 24, then 4 by 24, that is 4 to the 8, 8 3 is 24, that is pi by 3, that is exactly we have to find, that is our answer. Let's see one more example. Evaluate triple integral capital R x square plus y square dv, where capital R is a solid bounded by the surfaces x square plus y square equal to z square, z equal to 0 and z equal to 1. Here x square plus y square equal to z square, that is the equations of the cone, like as ice cream cone, but up to infinite position. Now that is also called the infinite cone. Firstly we draw the region, means that is our x axis, this one is the y axis, this one is the z axis, and this is our cone, infinite cone up to, but like this, assume this one is the cone. Now here we have the plane of equations of the plane, that is z equal to 0, means this one is our z plane, that is a z equal to 0 plane. Now at this position our, that is the center 0 0 0, and cut is also this cone which is also cut from the z equal to 1 plane, means this one is also z equal to 1 plane. Whenever we cut the z equal to 1 plane and z equal to 0, then our shape of cone becomes like as exactly ice cream cone. Now upper portion that is indicated by the z equal to 1, and lower portion, lower boundary, that is indicated by the plane z equal to 0. Now in this particular region we have to taking the vertical strip, then whenever we taking the vertical strip and finding the limit of z, and this is the equation of x square plus y square equal to z square, and this one is our plane z equal to 1. Then our vertical strip which is touches to the one boundary, that is the equations of the cone, other boundary, that is the equations of the plane, means our z which is varies from lower boundary, that is equation of cone. Now in this equation making this subject as a z, then z equal to square root of x square plus y square to the z equal to 1, means our z is varies from square root of x square plus y square to the 1, that is the limit of z. Now we have to convert this Cartesian coordinate to the cylindrical coordinates. For that replace x as a r cos theta and y as a r sin theta, and z which is kept as it is. In this equation replace as a x as r cos theta, y as a r sin theta, then r square plus r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta, then cos square plus sin square, that is 1, and that is square root of r square, that is r, means z which is varies from r to 1. Now and this region will be converted into 2D or a polar graph, then this one is we shown in a top view, then it becomes circle, then our circle has a radius 1 with center 0 0, like this. At this position values of theta, that is 0, here values of theta, that is pi by 2, here pi, here 3 pi by 2 and again 2 pi. Then our theta which is varies from 0 to 2 pi and making the angular strip or a elementary radius vector at this region, that is our angular vector, that from the origin at this position values of r that is 0, at this position values of r that is 1, means r which is varies from 0 to 1, that is the limit of z, theta and r. Now substituting this all the limits in our integral, that is triple integral square root of x square plus y square dv, then triple integral replace x as a r cos theta or x square plus y square equal to r square, then square root of r square that is r, and dv that is replaced as a dv equal to mod j dz dr, values of mod j that is r, dz dr d theta, then r into r that is r square, then triple integral substituting the limits of z, theta and r, then integral 0 to 2 pi, integral 0 to 1, integral r to 1, r square dz dr d theta. Now integral this equation with respect to z, that will give you integral 0 to 2 pi, integral 0 to 1, r square into z, where z is running from r to 1, then substituting the limits means upper limit minus lower limit, that will give you 0 to 2 pi, 0 to 1, r square 1 minus r dr d theta. Now r comes inside the brackets, then r square minus r cube dr d theta. Now integral with respect to r, that is r cube by 3 minus r raised to 4 by 4, where r is running from 0 to 1, then upper limit minus lower limit and taking the LCM, then 3 4s are 12, then 1 by 12 integral 0 to 2 pi, that is into 1 d theta. Now integral with respect to theta, that is 1 by 12 theta, where theta which is running from 0 to 2 pi, then upper limit minus lower limit, then 2 pi minus 0 into 1 by 12, that is pi by 6. That is exactly we have to find. This is all about the topics of the triple integral. I hope you guys learn something from this video. If you like this video, then thumbs up. If you think that this video will help some of your friends, then do the share with them. If you want to watch more tutorial like this, then you can subscribe my YouTube channel, and whenever I upload the new video, you get the notification. If you have any query regarding this, then feel free contact me. Thank you so much for watching me.